Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Goldfinch token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Goldfinch GFI is a decentralized credit protocol that provides collateralized lending, connecting DeFi liquidity to real-world private credit markets like small businesses loans, credit protocols. It is a blockchain-based lending platform that funds real-world browser without requiring crypto collateral. Uncollateralized models, lenders access lender access borrower credit. Uncollateralized model, lenders access borrowers creditor worthiness of change, shifting risk from volatile crypto assets to borrower performance. Intellectual access, its Goldfinch Prime products offer on-chain exposure to top-tier private credit funds from managers like Apollo and BlackRock HPS. Goldfinch project institution rating is 4.3 and this project audited by Ceritic. Goldfinch token total supply is 114.28 million and circulating supplies around 86.61 million GFI token. GFI token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Coinbase, Gate.io, BingX, Kraken and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you in this project, up to 80% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.